Welcome to Clarity Architects. At Clarity Architects, you can explore unlimited 3D models and download them for free, without any limits. Here's how you can get started and download your desired models. Step 1. Create an account. To begin downloading, you need to have an account. Click on Sign Up and provide first name, last name, email address, password. Once you fill in the details, your account will be successfully created. Step 2. Log in. After creating your account, log in using your email address and password. Once logged in successfully, you can start exploring and downloading models. Step 3. Select a model. Browse through our collection and click on the model you want to download. Then, click View More to see detailed information about the model. Step 4. Unlock the download. Below the model details, you will find the download option. Initially, it may be hidden. To make it visible, click on Get Enroll. Step 5. Download your model. Once the download option is visible, click the download button and your model will be downloaded to your device. You can repeat these steps to download unlimited models without any restrictions.